Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Today we are going to prepare our beans and it's going to be this beans. I'm going to cook it in the night, but for me to achieve a very colorful brown cooked white beans, I'm going to soak it for about 12 hours. Okay, so you can leave it overnight. It depends on how you want to when you want to use it. As you can see, I have put 2 cups of beans inside water, and I have soaked it down with water above the pot, above the beans. Okay, so you guys are welcome back to my channel once again. God bless you. If you're just passing by for first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, and don't forget to on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified by the bell. Okay, good day. So guys, this is another lesson. After 24 hours I make it, so I'm going to wash it and add it to my pressure cooking pot. All this is going to turn to brown, very brown and non-breaking. Like, it's not gonna scatter. If you press it, it will be done properly, but it's not going to be pieces. This ideal way of making this black eye beans is good for people who has restaurants. Okay, to add the water in the pot, but I'm going to reduce the water. Sorry guys, I'm working without light. Okay, so this is the water will be a little above the beans. Okay, let me add more, the same. Okay, because it's a pressure cooking, I don't want it to be I will cook it. I don't want it to be overcooked, but it's going to be done properly, like soft. So you see the level where the beans is, you see where the water is. Okay guys, this is the salt I'm going to add to the beans, and that's the 1 onions. Preferable is red onions, but I don't have red onions. I have only white onions, so I'm going to be adding white onions. Okay, so guys, it's boiling now. I didn't cover the pressure cooking pot because I want to add salt and onions after this first cooking. Okay, so I will be adding salt and onions, and that is fine. So if I add salt and onions, I will cover it. Okay guys, so I have to pour it in a sieve now to sieve out the water and pour in a fresh hot water. Okay guys, this is how I slice the onions. I will cover it with my pressure cooking pot and cook it for about 30 minutes. Okay, so when it's ready, I will about 1 hour, not 30 minutes, because 30 minutes won't be enough to cook the beans. Finish. So guys, I have finished it right now. It's after 1 hour. So this you can use to eat white rice, you can use it to eat macaroni with stew, or you can add yam, but this is not perfect one for yam. The yam one is different way. White this is for rice or soft, no potash added, only salt and onion. So this you can use it to eat rice, pasta, or every other white food that you want to eat with stew. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, share and comment, okay, with your friends and your family. Bye bye.